Are you tired of forgetting to invest or missing out on the market because you just can't remember to log in every week? If your investment strategy currently involves a lot of manual transfers and hoping you pick the right day, then you're making things way too hard on yourself. The secret to long-term wealth isn't timing the market, it's consistency. And the easiest way to be consistent is to put your investments on autopilot. That's where Stash and its powerful automation tools come in. Today, we're breaking down the simple steps to fully automate your investments with Stash, so your money can start working for you without you having to lift a finger. Stash offers two main ways to automate your investing journey. The first is called AutoStash, and it's what most people think of when they talk about automated investing. AutoStash lets you set up recurring transfers from your linked bank account to your Stash accounts, and then automatically invests those funds for you. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool, and it's critical for leveraging a powerful strategy called dollar-cost averaging. This means you buy a little bit of your chosen investments regularly, regardless of the price, which helps smooth out the highs and lows of the market over time. To set it up in the Stash app, first make sure your bank account is linked. Then, head to the Ways to Invest section and tap on Manage Auto Invest. From there, you simply select the amount you want to invest, the frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and what you want that money to be invested in, such as your selected ETFs or stocks. Hit Confirm, and you're done. The second powerful automation tool is the Smart Portfolio. This is Stash's expert-managed robo-advisor. If you're someone who prefers a completely hands-off approach and doesn't want to pick your own investments, the Smart Portfolio is for you. Once you switch it on, Stash's investment team builds a diversified portfolio for you based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. It automatically invests your money, monitors the holdings, and even rebalances the portfolio quarterly to keep it aligned with your goals. The Smart Portfolio takes all the stress out of managing a portfolio yourself. Finally, Stash has another neat little automation trick, roundups. If you use your stock-backed debit card, you can set Stash to round up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest that spare change automatically. It's micro-investing without thinking about it, turning your daily coffee runs and grocery trips into tiny, consistent contributions to your portfolio. Automating your investments with Stash, whether through AutoStash for scheduled transfers, the Smart Portfolio for a fully managed experience, or even with the roundups feature, is the simplest, most effective way to build solid financial habits and work toward your long-term goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.